It's nice. Congratulations to your friend. Congrats to your friend. Welcome 9 million viewers. Thank you so much. India, before ma'am magkama ang shit. So, po gagawin nyo muna. Hindi ko po alam kung ano ba ugali ng mga shih tzu na yan. Is my dearest friend. Okay, that's good. Top 1 OT. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. I don't have shih tzu po. Kaya hindi ko alam kung ano ugali ng mga shih tzu. Good night, Top 103. So, are you in India now? Mega love shoutout 14 million viewers. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome. Siguro po pag may damit po sila, nalat me by Puniyamurti. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hindi ko po alam, Sir Rodnel. Top 103. Oh, so you are in Russia now? What are you doing in Russia? Are you working there? Yeah, sure, it's even 300, I think. Hindi ko po alam, sir, pakainin. Nice to see you. Thank you so much, Pramod. I came from Philippines. Hindi ko po alam kung anong ginagawa ng Shih Tzu. Thank you so much. Love you all. Still, I didn't wash my face. Who, Pramod? Bakit naman mabasa yung kama? Ihi ba yung Shih Tzu? Paka. What is paka? Good luck all today. Yes, nalat me by. What is your name? Nalat me by. Sorry. It's so hard to read your channel name. Thank you so much. Iihian nila. Siguro po. Siyempre, iihi din talaga yung mga aso na yan.